Hi! In front of me is an Android 13 and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. First of all, you need to locate the recorder app and when you find it, click on it. Now tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to change its title right away, you need to pause it first. Click on Add Title at the top and type in wherever you wish to. You can also select Add Location. Click on while using the app or only this time. And when you finished, tap on Resume. To switch from audio to transcript, just click on Transcript mode. If you wish to go back, select Audio. Now you can delete your recording right away before saving it by choosing Delete at the bottom left corner. If you want to do that, confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to end it and save it though, tap on Save at the bottom right corner instead. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. If you want to play it, click on it. If you wish to rename it, click on its current title and type in wherever you want to. Then hit Save at the top right corner. In order to delete it though, select those three dots at the top right corner, choose Delete at the bottom, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!